Hi guys, intro time. My mom has a surprise for me, but I don't really know what it is. It's that box right there.
Hello!
Hey, you're wearing the...
I know, because it's for you, right? So, speaking of something I'm wearing, oh my goodness. Last time you were here, it's all coming together again. Remember, we were going through your old box?
This is so tiny.
I know.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
It doesn't fit on my hand.
Those were her little baby feet. One time you asked for this and I said no. And I'm like, I can never say no to my baby. So I went back and got it. Your brother had one. He said it tasted like...
fruity.
No, like an actual hot dog. So we'll try that. But also something else you should try.
Some sort of haiku.
No. Laffy Taffy. The answer for the lazy bull? A bulldozer. Ah ha 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 ha. Okay, that was a good one. There you go. There we go. Oh. Oh, they're way softer. And those are 10. 2 thumbs up. I'll do my thumbs this way so you can see my nail polish. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
What flavor do you like better? That one? Blow on me. Ooh, I don't know. I think I'm good with sticking with the good pineapple. Oh man, is that the one with the mushroom?
Yeah. It has a mushroom, an onion slice, and
cheese and sauce.
Cheese and sauce, yeah.
Okay, there's your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables, kids.
Oh, this is like a mushroom? Because I know you hate those. What, does it?
No.
Oh my God. Did you burn your tongue?
Guys, we're at the pool right now.
I'm just filming in case we don't film in there, because we probably won't. So, we're going swimming. See, swim stuff. Real fruit in it.
Real fruit, real milk, real ice, real fruit.
Who are we?
The hell is
Imagination. Just put it. So, the hot tub is just around the corner. We're going to literally go table to hot tub. Made it! Oh,
there she is.
hi!
Ultra time, and I just want to show you guys something. That here.
Oh.
That's how rainy it is out. Like this is like half from the rain.
Yeah, no
Like,
kidding.
my hair was dry by the time we got out.
But it is not snow.
But taffy, and we got Mamma Mia pizza.
Oh, that's precious. You can't beat that. I love you, girl.
I don't think we can dance.
Yeah, it doesn't feel exactly that safe to be dancing right now.
No.
But it's not snow. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh my goodness. All right. Peace out. See you soon.
Peace out. See you soon.